Can LinkedIn really help you land a dream job? And I'm not talking about the job board portion of LinkedIn. Yes, I'm going to break it down in this video. See you on the other side. Hi, I'm Sara and I am a certified career and leadership coach. I help people find their dream jobs where they make more money, work less hours, and finally feel happy and fulfilled doing work that they love. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the video trainings that I drop here on this LinkedIn page. Okay, let's get into it. I want to talk about LinkedIn. Because LinkedIn is the third training in the job search coaching week. We're doing it Thursday, May 8th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I had to look at my calendar there. Yeah, I should know this, but dates. So I want to talk about LinkedIn because we're going to do a whole LinkedIn user guide for job seekers. So all of the things that you can do on there to really use your time wisely on LinkedIn. But today I actually kind of wanted to talk about the three main people I see on LinkedIn and why this could be a problem. So when you hear you, let me know below, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so the first is the LinkedIn hesitator. They don't really like social media, so they either don't have LinkedIn or they have a skeleton profile. If this is you, LinkedIn won't help you find your dream job because no one will find you and no one will, like any networking, will not know who this person is. So a LinkedIn hesitator won't be able to use LinkedIn to help them find their dream job. Okay, then we have the LinkedIn lovers. They spend a lot of time on LinkedIn. They engage, they scroll job postings, they spend a lot of time on their feed learning about the hiring process and the recruitment process and how everything's broken and it all sucks. If this is you, LinkedIn still won't land you your dream job. Then we have the LinkedIn lurkers. Guilty as charged. They read posts. They may check job postings. I don't do that, obviously, but they don't engage. They may want to hit the like button, but they're afraid someone sees them hit the like button, or same with commenting. If this is you, I bet you LinkedIn has not, and it will continue not to help you find your dream job. Here's the thing, LinkedIn can help you if you do use it effectively. Right? And that is one of the things that I'm going to teach you in that LinkedIn user guide for job seekers during the job search coaching week. It's $10, which is sadly 10 Canadian dollars, which is sadly about the cost of a latte. Doesn't so it's just crazy how the world is coming the prices are going up so much, but not the job search coaching week. That has remained at $10. I want to, during the whole week, take apart your entire job search. We're talking about all of the key areas where people can go wrong so that we can fix it, so that you can start getting like actual results, not rejection results and ghosting results. And I want to teach you how to actually get amazing results, get interviews, get networking connections, get opportunities from your LinkedIn. So if this sounds like something you want to be a part of, and who doesn't, quite frankly, sign up below by using the link. If you do have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will answer them. But otherwise, I will see you there May 5th to May 12th, 5 live trainings with me, Sara Curto, certified career and leadership coach. See you there. Bye.
If you liked this video, then I invite you to join me in the Find Your Dream Job program, where you work less, make more money, and finally feel fulfilled doing work that you love. Find out more at www.saracurto.ca/CYLA. See you there.